Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, May 29th, 2014, and U.S. stock market is closed. And wow, we had another good day today. You know, this is getting spooky. We've had like 6-7 good days in a row. Oh, that gets scary, doesn't it? You know, when we were back in the doldrums, a couple weeks ago, I kept talking about trading these markets was like playing that arcade game where you had the little moles or gophers come out of the hole and you had to hit them with a hammer. And that's what I felt like we were doing, except we were buying those gophers. And every time we bought something, bam, the market would take it down. Well, it's just like the market worked itself out of that. We're not seeing that happen all the time. Our stocks go up and we get in, and they're pretty stable. They stay up, and they gain price, and that's what we want, And so it just has a feel of an entirely new ball game. And boy, I tell you, couldn't have started sooner for me. I was getting I was getting worried, and so were some of my customers, and so were some people who were just worried about me. I had a guy who stock twits predict I was going to be on welfare in 8 weeks. And, I don't know. I was thinking maybe I will be on welfare in 6 weeks or 8 weeks. Anyway, good day today. We actually we closed out. Drum roll, $339. That's nothing to write home about, but we are carrying almost $11,000 in open trade equity. It seemed like just most everything we got into today went very well. And the Dow gained 65 points. It was not a roaring Dow day, but still 65 points is, when we're making money when the Dow goes down, if we have a Dow go up 65 points, we're going to do pretty well. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and, again, I keep pointing out that look at this spectacular climb out of this hole that was just killing us. And even though yesterday was a negative day, it was basically sideways from that, and what happened today, it looks to me like we had a negative open basically, and then it climbed out of that and took out the highs from this congestion of the last couple days. And I do think this thing is going to go higher. What we want to do though is convincingly take out these highs over here, and we're very close to that right now. So just a really good day for the Dow, although it was not anything but a spectacular rally, but we still did really well. I'll show you a couple of trades. We had quite a few good trades today, but I'll show you just a couple of them. This first one is JRJC. That's China Finance Online. Would you want to do China Finance Online? Anyway, this is a schizophrenic market. It's pretty thin. It's got enough volume for us to trade, but this thing really moves around, and you can make a lot of money in it, and you can lose a lot of money in it. So we handled this with kid gloves. We got into this yesterday, and the thing basically pulled back right away. It closed against us, and I thought, oh, this is just another China Finance Online trade. But this morning it just exploded here, and sometimes I complain about where we get filled. I mean, we get filled here and then this thing pulls back. But if you think about it, what if we were trying to buy this price that we got yesterday and buy it on this spike? Well, if we tried to do that, we'd be buying way up here. But as it is, we got in, and in real time, I actually got a little better than that price because it did pull back. and then we just had this beautiful follow through this morning, and we're holding over $4,000, actually pretty close to $5,000, I think, with China Finance Online. So that was a really, looks like a good trade for us, but of course we're not out of it yet. And as I say, this can be kind of a schizophrenic market. So let's hope we get a little more follow through tomorrow on that, and that will really be a spectacular trade. I'll show you one more trade here that was pretty nice for us. This is in Yelp, and we haven't traded Yelp too much recently, but we're still in, just like JRJC, we're still in Yelp. We got into this right, 30 minutes into the day, and this is beautiful. Markets don't always do this, but it just kept going up and up and up and up, and closing here almost on its high. Just a really nice looking trade in Yelp, and we're holding over $3,000 in that, so that looks real good too. Anyway, another great day. Trader Bob is happy, and I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.